Hi folks, how we all doing? Just thought I would take the bike out for 15-20 minutes to try this new Max lens mod that I've got in the GoPro. Just to see if it gives me a better video. It's supposed to give me a wider view, and it puts the stabilisation onto the maximum you can get from the GoPro 10. So when you fit the Max lens mod to the GoPro 10, you can no longer record in 4K. The maximum you can do is 2.7K, which, to be honest, for YouTube is fine. Service overdue. It's going in on Monday. This is a Saturday. Ingliston Country Club. I will go up past that. That should bring us back down into Houston. Give the camera a wee test. Some right tight bends on this wee road. This is in Houston, not Houston in Texas, obviously. Autumn colours are really coming in now. Although this is the end of October, it's they're taking their time. Alright, what that'll do is just now, I'll go home and edit this and see how the lens turns out. Yeah.